Hi, I'm Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann Esselstyn.
And today Ann is driving with one of her favorite, like this, I could say this is in our cookbook, but it's in almost every cookbook. She has different variations of this beautiful favorite
heirloom
sandwich.
tomato sandwich that we eat nonstop all summer long. Well, once the tomatoes get to be big and gorgeous.
Yeah.
And my aim in our garden is to have them. Sometimes I'm successful.
And the slugs win sometimes. The
So,
slugs win.
It starts.
I need the sticker off.
It starts with some wonderful whole grain bread. This happens to be Dave's thin sliced. The best bag bread you can get is Ezekiel. Low sodium, no added salt, because bread is one of the nests of a whole lot of sodium in your diet. Mm-hmm. So I have toasted this a little, and I'm going to put on some hummus. This happens to be Amir's original hummus out of Cleveland. It has no added oil. It does have tahini, and I'm going to put this on thick. I always do it thick. This is...
Can I make a comment about hummus?
Yeah, hummus comment.
People who are following a whole food plant-based diet for heart disease prevention and maybe weight loss or type 2 diabetes reversal, you might want to look for a hummus that does not have oil added or tahini added. It's difficult
Definitely no oil. It is really hard if you don't make your own to find it without tahini.
But it's difficult.
But it's still good.
Your dollar is your vote. And if you tell a store, I will buy 5 of these a week, they'll buy 5 of those a week for you. So this is one version. Okay, sorry. Onward with hummus.
All right, so the next I would put on some green onions, which I don't have. I forgot.
I have some. You want me to get some?
Sure.
Okay.
I would sprinkle a few green onions on, and on top of those lovely green onions, I'm going to put some broccoli sprouts. There is nothing that you can eat that has got more power for your health than broccoli sprouts or microgreens. And so here comes some freshly chopped,
hot off the garlic board press.
The garlic board, because Jane, green onions are
great. Well, all the alliums. Brian and I prefer. Here, should I just put them on both?
Yeah.
Brian and I really have onion boards, and which we chop all of our scallions, onions, garlic, leeks, even ginger, because it carries the flavor of the food. So our kids are so used to our garlic. This is one of our onion boards. Our kids are so used to them that when one of our kids was at a friend's house helping make dinner, he's like, "So do you guys have an onion board?" And they're like, "A what?" He's like, "A board to cut onions on." And they're like, "Just use the cutting boards." And he's like, "Oh, my family has that." So they thought we were this really fancy, chefy family. Like, we do cookbooks, but we're not chefy. Like, there's nothing fancy about what we do.
But they have got both intense senses of smell and taste. They're both, Jane and Brian, are amazing. All right, and then on top of the broccoli sprouts, this is microgreens, which are just as important to keep in your diet. And these are a combination of broccoli and arugula, but you could get all different kinds. And I feel, when I'm having a sandwich, that I want the sandwich to reflect a salad, really. So,
can I make a comment about broccoli sprouts?
Yeah.
Broccoli sprouts are loaded with sulforaphanes. You've probably heard us say this a million times. You've heard Dr. Greger say it a million times. You've heard anybody who's talking about how food is your chemotherapy. And like Dr. Christy Funk with Breast, the Owner's Manual, broccoli, they're so good at turning off cancer because sulforaphanes have that amazing property, and broccoli sprouts are 100 times more potent, powerful. Want me to cut that? I have my basil scissors.
All right, would you do your basil scissors, please?
With these leaves? I'm trying to follow your directions.
I need to cut. I need it to be done quickly and lots.
Okay. I'm making ribbons, I believe.
Yeah, that's
basil.
good.
This is supposed to be it gets loaded, but there you go. See how they're making ribbons of basil? Someone gave us these, and I've always wanted to use them, and I'm now get a chance, and it's...
Now I'm going to put basil on top.
It's raining ribbons of...
Keep ribboning your basil.
When you make it rain with dollar bills, I'm making it rain
I have one sandwich that still needs some basil.
Ribbons. Okay.
And then what I do, and this to me is what makes this, along with the right tomato, so good. This is some of my olive tap balsamic four-leaf vinegar. And I'm going to put some on. Oh, well, I got a lot, but that's okay because the more the better.
Says the acid queen.
No, you'll see. Makes a difference. Then, next,
You can use my cutting board if you want to get wet.
I'm going to put on a nice thick slice of a wonderful summer heirloom tomato. And here we go. On every big heirloom
She does,
tomato.
like there's a tomato called a beefsteak, and Ann does like slabs of beefsteak tomato.
But what you can,
love the irony of
I
that.
get at least 4 out of one fat tomato. And then I put lots of balsamic and I rub it into my tomato. And then with this lovely little basil cutter,
I have
can
more
put-
beautiful ribbons.
I can put some ribbons on the top.
I made more ribbons.
And I tell you, these are to die for.
I'm gonna put a little basil flower on top of each.
Oh,
Little edelweiss.
nice. I like it.
Oh.
And there we go. You can cut them in half or eat them whole.
Can you cut them in half and we can all have a bite? I'm gonna put one here. Let's put. Oh, you're cutting quarters.
Well, I'll do that.
Yeah, perfect.
Just,
Put them all in here. Nice picture.
I'll leave that on the board.
Yeah, this is like a beautiful photo. Let's get this really. This looks like we're making it for our cookbook or something. Yummy, yummy. Wow.
We can do-
Okay. Oh my gosh. This is all now sectioned up. Here, wait. Oh, it's falling apart a little bit. But wait. Here, grab that.
Oh, yeah.
Your basil. Yummy, yummy. There you go.
you.
And Ann, do you want to try this little section?
Yeah, I'll just try a cut section.
Here, and this one's so pretty. I want you guys, imagine taking a bite of that. Crispy toast. We've got then hummus. After the hummus, we have green onions. And then we have broccoli sprouts. And then microgreens. And a huge slice of an heirloom tomato. And ribbons of, no, you've got, do you put balsamic vinegar on?
Inside and then outside.
Balsamic vinegar inside and outside. And I remember learning
Wait,
that
what do you think about so much balsamic in it?
It was good. It didn't seem like too much.
balsamic, I think vinegar tends to bring out like
It does something with a tomato that is just
yeah, it cleaves the-
magic.
Yeah, it does. Okay, so we're gonna finish eating. I haven't even had just been chatting, but onward. This is Ann's summer sandwich, and she looks very chefy today. And her jacket, we were kind of giving her grief, but this is chefy worthy.
This is my heirloom tomato sandwich jacket.
All right, bye bye.